Hello everybody. Welcome to Bright Life by DJ.
Today, in our video, we are going to talk about several amazing facts about birds. Do birds in fact sleep? Just like all other beings on planet, birds do sleep, usually in a series of short power naps. Some even sleep by standing on one leg, and even more surprising, they can be hypnotized into sleep. If we act as if we are gradually falling asleep, the bird will follow us, finally holding one leg up under its belly, tucking its head under its wing, and falling into a deep sleep. Generally, most pet owners make their pet fall asleep by covering the cage with a blanket to simulate night. Most birds in nature will sleep on tree branches, higher up on the trees, safe from predators on the ground. Then, why don't they fall off their perches while sleeping? Birds have an effective tendon arrangement in their legs. The flexor tendon from the muscle in the thigh reaches down the leg, round the ankle, and then under the toe. This arrangement means that at rest, the bird's body weight causes the bird to bend its knee and pull the tendon tight, so closing the claws. Apparently, this mechanism is so effective that dead birds have been found grasping their perches long after they have died. Why do birds sit on telephone wires and current wires? Well, because they can. But what really attracts birds to wires, even when there are plenty tree branches and other natural perches to sit on? Scientists say that these telephone and electric wires offer a bird's eye view of grasshoppers, lizards, field mice, and other prey. Insectivorous birds such as swallows catch their food on the wing, so they often hang out on power lines to spot juicy meals as they fly by. These wires are more useful than trees, who can block their view. Finally, most important doubt. Anyone wonder why birds don't get electrocuted whenever they cling to high voltage wires? Reason is basic physics. As long as their bodies are not grounded or completing a circuit, the electric current does not pass through them. But it doesn't mean that birds never get electrocuted on power lines. It happens to birds with larger wingspan, such as eagles. When their wings touch two wires simultaneously, they get fried. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Take care everyone. Bye.